Hi guys, welcome back to the course, and in this video we will create the basic directory structure for our project. So I assume that you have installed the XAMPP server because we need XAMPP server in order to run PHP code on the local computer. Otherwise we will have to use the online server. So after installing XAMPP, go to the htdocs folder and create the folder called as registration, and we will go inside this folder and create 3 more folders. One will be CSS, it will contain the style sheets. The other one will be JS for JavaScript files of this project, and the last will be includes. So I think that's it for the files. So let's open the project folder inside brackets. So need to go to XAMPP htdocs. I think name was registration. Select folder, and now inside this folder we will create a file and save it as index.php. We will add another file and save it as register.php. Another one with the name actually whenever the user will log in, we will redirect the user to myaccount.php file, so that's why we are creating this. We will create another file for password retrieval and save it as forgot_password.php. Save it. So I think we need to create a file called config.php. inside includes, and another file called as db.php. I think that's it for the files and folders. So let me make sure that I'm not missing any file. No, I'm not. So guys, see you in the next video.